Hello everybody, welcome back to Gunfight Arena and sorry, let me just get this guy. You think you can run from me? You probably can. Okay. But we've got some comments on our last video. Do I play I don't remember what the mobile game is called. It's like PUBG Mobile or something. No, I don't. I don't play anything other than Roblox. But if you would like me to start playing other games other than Roblox, leave a like on this video and I'll try. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, I get bounties. And if you never mind, I was gonna say something and it was on the tip of my tongue and then it wasn't anymore. No. Okay, maybe we should get a sniper. Or maybe not, because that's just boring. Let's see. Is this gun good? I'd never know. I just got it. Okay, now let's see. Good sights? No, those are terrible sights. I'm gonna go shoot some people or blow them up using grenades. Okay, wait 1 second. I've got a different gun. Thank goodness for secondaries. No, why wouldn't it let me behind? Let's go. No, okay. Well, let's see. We can unlock another secondary. Yeah, but we've already got the best secondary we can have. Oh, sorry. Oh, they've added a new knife. Can I buy this? No! No! Is this a sniper? I can't remember. Well, that person's internet certainly isn't running top notch. Wee. I'm gonna shoot you all. Okay. Not before you get me. I missed that. How'd I miss? Okay. This gun is good, just not when you're walking up to somebody. Stop killing people. Did I get that? No. Anybody? Oh, hello. Hello, friend. Okay, can we just admire how our teammates all walked by him? Let's go. Why am I walking so slow? I just want the money. Just want the money. I didn't get much of the money. Yes. I'm not in first, that's for sure. Yeah, the person in first place is level 40 and career tag 747. 700. Okay. Well, how does the person. Oh, hijacked. That looks like a fun map. Everybody vote hijacked. No, you guys are voting the wrong map. Vote hijacked. Yes. Keep voting. Keep voting hijacked. This is the wrong map. What were you guys doing? Bang, bang, bang. I'm gonna get you all. Don't go around me. I can't get you when you're behind me. It's the whole point of the game. You let me kill you. Stop getting in my way, please. Ooh, did I just? No, I didn't. Oh, okay. Double barrel. Can we get that? What is this? Soft double barrel. Okay. Well, as soon as. Okay. The one thing that really annoys me about this game is how long the reloading screens take. Ow. Ah, please no, that hurts. Why is there a red reload? I think we glitched the game. That's not good. I mean, we're not gonna stop because die. Okay, I need a Let's equip this gun. Also, what is my skin? Oh, it's spaceships and astronauts and planets. Battle pass tier complete. I'm happy, except I don't even know what that is. No, 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 please. Please don't kill me. I'm just collecting ammo. And coming up behind you to kill you all. Ow! That's not nice of you. Why would you do that? Okay, how come I'm not hitting any of my shots? I need to get like a aimbot. Probably shouldn't do that, but where is this the, can I go into you? Bubbles. People, go! Quit hiding behind a wall. Okay, maybe keep hiding behind a wall. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah, somebody's behind me, I knew it. Ooh. Why wouldn't it let me shoot you? Oh, there's a wall there. I forgot. We have an AK-47 or so. It might be an AK-45. No, no, thank you. Please don't you. I don't want you to shoot me. I like to live. Nice try, Ocean. I'm too great for this. Okay, maybe I shouldn't say that because it just seems to doom me. Oh, okay, Ocean. Why did I get teleported? Ooh, can I? Oh, what did I do? How? I want that gun. Can I have that gun? Can I have that gun, please? Let me reload. Let's go. No, thank you. Please, no, no. I don't like you shooting at me. Oh, please, no. Oh, please, no. No. Oh, please, no. No, I died to somebody with a really good... Ooh. Ooh, okay, wait. We need to get this sniper. No, please. No, thank you. I prefer not to die. I need this. Oh, I didn't get the ammo back. Done. Maybe I can make a mad dash for it. Let's go. No, no, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Let me come around. Let me go. I got so much ammo. I'm so stressed. Okay, we're safe. Ah, just to die. Is that really all I did it for? Why was he so slowly approaching? Okay. Let's deploy a shield. Okay. Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna go grind some. I'll be right back. Okay. So I was trying to grind and it wasn't really working, except no, it wasn't working at all. I didn't get any kills and I was just being spawn killed. No, no, no. Ignore my stress noises. Haha, sucker. Oh, fudge. Oh, mushy bananas. Oh, dang it. I'm unkillable. I'm gonna use my knife. That's how good I am. Come on out. Oh. What? Yeah, I thought. Oh. Oh. Well, okay. Lesson learned. Do not use a knife. Lesson learned. Do not go out anywhere. Stay in the safe zone. Yay. How come I can't shoot you? What did you do? What the heck? I don't have aimbot. I swear. I don't think. Yeah. I'm gonna shoot you. Okay, well, I was... That's just great. That shows my reaction time is super quick. Okay, well, yep. Well, I know where all of them are now. Okay, wait. That's actually kind of really helpful. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I got the most OP amount of kills ever. Oh, I was gonna spawn my shield. She has a deagle? Haha, suckers. Give me this ammo and let me run. Let me run. Let me run. Let me. No, no, no. Thank you. Sorry, I'm very enthusiastic. You guys just keeping them inside the spawn here? You know that's really not nice of you. I want to help. Aha, you can't shoot me. Let me back in. Let me back in. Oh, there we go. Hi. Hi. Let me turn my screen. What's the matter? You guys can't shoot me? Okay. I'm sorry. I don't know what just happened. No, no, no. Okay. Let me bring out my grenade launcher. No, no, no. Bang, bang. Why are none of them hitting? Yeah, that might have been my friend calling. That is definitely my friend calling. No, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. Yeah, boy. Don't bring me down. Don't bring me. Stop calling me. Stop. Where is the Where is everybody? Okay. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Hi everybody. Yeah, I fixed the issue with my friend by answering them. But so we've done that, but we haven't done an obby. So if you know what I mean, we're just gonna try and see how good I am. I'm gonna show you how OP I am. Is this X Frozen Obbies? This is the X Frozen Obbies. This is. I can troll. Can I? No, it costs 49. Okay. Okay, so yeah. I'm so good. I can. What? Climb. This is a ladder. Yeah, thank you. This is a truss. Yes. What's the difference? I don't know. Ah! These things are scary. I don't need to be taught how to play Roblox. Eh. What do you do? Ooh, that's cool. Wee. Okay, so we've reached the 6th checkpoint. Bet you nobody can do better than me. Die! Oh, it only does damage to you. Oh. Yeah, I'll just walk right through it. This is an elevator. Can you stop teaching me how to play Roblox? I'm gonna go this way. And I'm gonna go this way. And I'm gonna go this way. Ow! 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 There we go. This is a spinner. Oh, no way. Thank you. You can spectate somebody by clicking on them at the bottom. Yeah, I figured that out. Can I buy anything? No, I can't. Do badges give me anything? Oh, I tapped on settings. Bang. Press on the button. You got it. Bang. Elevator. Ow! This is not scary. Have you ever wondered what your character feels like? Like, you're just putting them through death traps. Ooh, I want to go on these. That was fun. I like that. Okay. Ow. Okay. Oh, okay, checkpoint. Why do you want me to press the button? Couldn't I just like... Oh. Well, that makes more sense. And bang. And Bang. And checkpoint. What is this? Wait, can I just jump around the walls? Yeah. Oh. Well, that wasn't very nice. Nice. Ooh. Oh, look, I'm old. Got gray hair. No! You saw nothing. You saw. Aha. You've seen nothing. Let me on. Hurry up. I'm bored. I'm going. These are disappearing platforms. No kidding. Wait, how long can I stand on them for? Okay, so until they turn red, they're not disappearing. Wee. Ooh, stairs. This is a slippery. Wait, yeah, just jump and you've got full control on them. Let me turn on notifications. No, I don't want notifications. How do I climb? How do I climb you? There we go. Wee. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I can buy cool things using metals. I can buy trails and auras, and can I buy gear? Oh, it's coming soon. I can buy tags. Ow. I probably shouldn't have any of that stuff because we're looking at me. It's not really. Wee. Ooh, this is fun. I don't want yellow. Can I go back to oh no, I like yellow. Can I go to gray maybe? Can I do that, please? Oh yeah, they just do a lot more damage. Nothing too insane. Okay, I think I might actually die to these pretty soon, so maybe I should stop and actually start playing. This is a key door. Well, I just found a key, so I imagine I can go through them. Whee! Okay, wait 1 second. Couldn't I just jump around them? I'm pretty sure that would have worked. Why are you pushing me backwards? No, thank you. I'd like to go forwards. Because it would set a good example for me in life, which I'm not doing. Wee. Oh, wait. Can I, if... No, let me... Okay. Ooh. I want a balloon. Oh, yay. Now we have to do this. I. Okay. Nothing. Nothing. You heard nothing. 7. Not bad. Oh, these disappear. Oh, that just adds a little more pressure. There we go. 28. I think we're going to go to 30 and then end the video. Yeah. Oh. Well, it kind of worked. Come closer. Need to stand on the very edge. There we go. I'm OP. Yay. Ow, ow, ow. Please stop shooting me. How do I get over? Oh. 29. What is this? Oh. Slippery wall jumps? Oh no. This is nothing. Oh, we have to spawn all the way back up? Well, that was on purpose. But we have to... No! I hate when the game's always nagging you. Oh. Do I get balloons? No. Why couldn't I get balloons? I want balloons. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna... Oh, yeah, I got another medal. I think I'm gonna have to end here. Thank you for watching. Please have a good day and keep watching my videos, or don't. I do whatever. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. See you in my next one. Bye.